How to remove account restriction on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch a Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, now scroll down and head over to this option settings and privacy. Then click on the option settings. Now navigate to the section account center. Click on the option personal details. Now click on the option identity confirmation. Click on confirm your identity and go through the process. This might fix your issue. If this solution didn't work out for you, head back, navigate to the menu page, click on the option Help and Support, click on Report a Problem, click on the option Continue to Report, click on Don't Include. Now from here you can select the feature Login. Now here you'll need to explain about the issue that your account has been restricted even if you haven't violated any guidelines of Facebook and send it. With this, Facebook support team will get back to you. So these are solutions for removing account restriction on your Facebook account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.